Welcome to this detailed guide on how to create a transparent picture in PowerPoint using a unique method that may seem a little unconventional at first. In this tutorial, you will learn how to adjust the transparency settings of a photo to achieve a subtle and professional effect. The process is straightforward and requires only a few basic steps that take full advantage of PowerPoint's picture formatting features. To start, you should open PowerPoint on your computer. Launch the application just as you normally would when starting any presentation. Once the program is open, it is important to locate the presentation you wish to work on. Open your desired PowerPoint file where you want to implement the transparent picture effect. Having the presentation ready ensures that you can immediately continue with the next steps without any delays. After you have your PowerPoint file open and visible, the next focus is on the image you intend to modify. Look through your slides to find the photo that you want to adjust. Clicking on the photo will highlight it and signal to PowerPoint that you plan to perform a formatting operation on that particular image. Once the image has been selected, direct your attention to the top of the PowerPoint window where several tabs are present. Look for the tab dedicated to formatting options for images, often labeled Picture Format. Clicking on this tab will open a variety of tools and options that allow you to refine and enhance your image. This is the area where you will find the controls necessary to adjust the transparency of your photo. Within the picture format tools, move your focus to the left side where you will see the transparency option among the available features. This option is typically represented with a simple icon or slider that provides a visual representation of the transparency level. Clicking on transparency reveals several preset options, including different levels that you can choose from depending on the effect you want to achieve. With the transparency option visible, set the transparency to a low level. Adjusting this setting to low ensures that the image remains visible while still allowing the underlying slide elements to peek through. The low transparency setting strikes a balance between making the photo partially see-through and keeping its details clear enough to be recognizable. This step not only enhances the overall look of your slide, but also adds a layer of sophistication to your presentation. Following these clear instructions will help you effectively utilize PowerPoint's picture formatting capabilities to create a transparent photo effect. Enjoy the process as you experiment with this subtle design technique, making your slides both visually appealing and professional. With the steps covered in this guide, you are now ready to incorporate transparency into your images, adding an extra dimension to your presentation design.